We are starting from Manekal. Now the weather has cooled down. It's around 2 p.m. or something. So the weather has come down from the scorching summer heat. Hopefully the journey is gonna be crazy. I don't want to bore you with this boring road stuff. So let's first refill and get to the good spot. Actually, we are going to Chikbalapura Isha Foundation. Nobody at Shell petrol bunk. That's crazy. Should I wash this bike? Nah. Maybe after a trip, It's gonna get messy. Little bit maybe. Yeah, it's all cool only. Not so messy. Sabre. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು. Push, pull, click. 406, not bad. Shilapu. I'm on no petrol. ಬೇಡ ಏರು ನಾವೇ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್. Put air for ourselves, नीचे. हाँ नीचे 33. Go here. Take this and open this.
आता है सर.
हाँ स्पेशलिस्ट हो गया मैं. स्पेशलिस्ट. इसको 50 कर लेते हैं. हाँ अच्छा अच्छा ठीक क्या चलो भैया चेंज है मेरे पास, आज मेरा बर्थडे है। Apna Pedro, hey, hey, Asina Pedro, hey. The feeling is really amazing when you get a full tank. Asina Pedro, hey. Over 13,500 kilometers. I hope you can see, and I have not yet done a solo trip. So I went to this place already, to Chikbalapura Isha Foundation, but it was through Bangalore and it was through the traffic and all. But still, the place was really beautiful. It was the day actually when it opened I visited, so actually it will be good visiting it for another time on my special day. Yes. What a good time to visit that place on my other than my birthday, bro. It's my birthday. Damn. So yeah, this video will be in clips, and because it's gonna be a long one, and it's hot and a summer day. It's a hot summery day. Let's hope for the best. Chandapura to Vartur, it's kind of good only, bro. Like villagey type. Meh. It's good. Not bad. Feels like a train. Bro, my voice really sucks, right? Crazy. So also in this channel I'm planning to upload some of my early morning gym workouts, where I even try to speak with you. Let's see how it goes, bro. Even I want to, whatever activities I do, I like to record it and I want to post it. La 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 la. Bro, the fun of this, you can't even imagine. Actually, this is the real fun. You're freaking sober, you're just high on life. Be sober and be high on life, bro. Those alcohol, those stuffs, nothing is worth it. Just enjoy your life, man. This is crazy. But guys, please don't get triggered if I'm not picking up the call. Today is maybe a special day, like a birthday or something, but a birthday is still a normal day for me. What is there to celebrate on your birthday, bro? You're just getting older. Not like older, but you get the point, right? You're getting to an age where it is kind of serious now. Happy 24 to me. Happy birthday to me. But I'm 24 now. Gotta get serious, bro. Gotta get locked in. No fucking around. No doing silly stuff. For 23 years of my life, I just messed around. I was just playing around like as if I had 7 other lives lined up on me. But it's not actually real, bro. Just got this one life, one chance. Let's make the most out of it. I was living like as if I would be reborn again the next day. I was not living for tomorrow at all. Yeah, I enjoyed a lot. I learned a lot. But it's time to lock in, bro. There's something within me just that doesn't let me sleep. I need to get big, really big out here. Really big, powerful and strong, man, so that I can help the needy and help my family first of all. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. My BOGO, my phone holder. Wait a minute. I am not able to speak properly, bro. Wait a minute. So it's because of this mask. Yeah. Then my mask was too tight on my mouth. It was like literally holding my mouth closed, shut. Okay. So whatever. My BOGO is shaking a lot. I'm scared, bro. I'm scared. Because this is a very costly phone for me. What if something shakes inside or somewhat? It is anti-vibration, right? Hopefully it protects it. Something is loose or something. Wait, let's try to pause here for a moment. Hey. Yes. Maybe that was the issue. Okay. ये क्या हुआ? What the fuck? Okay, locked and loaded. Let's go. The weather is getting good. The weather is getting better as I planned. It's around 3 p.m. The weather is actually really good right now. Ali ali tunni aliya tanna tanna na na. I'm just enjoying myself a lot. Yup. Let's go. Many years. How much cake should I have and how much party should I do? Just the varieties are different, but the friend group may be different, but it's just got boring, bro. This is actually real fun. Just fill your tanks and rev, pull the accelerator. मजा ही मजा है, मजा ही मजा है. Na, 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 na. Bro, the freedom I have now, bro, it is really crazy, bro. I can just record, just talk whatever I want and just post it whenever I want. This is freedom. This is freedom. Real freedom. Arre guys, sorry guys. There is no lights, there is no signal. What is this? Okay, we are safe. but still I feel I'm not able to express myself fully yet. I'm not fully vulnerable yet. I'm not fully open yet. But we'll get there, bro. This is just what 12th video or something. Not even 2 weeks are up. 2 weeks of videos are up. Let's keep going. Push, 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 push. Hey, Forum. Nexus Mall, Whitefield. Previously, which was Forum Mall. Nice. Whitest field. The whitest field, the white field, where the whitest people stay, I think. Very posh area, but Whitefield main road. But the traffic, bro, it's a normal, what, Thursday or something. Don't know where are these guys going on in the noon time. Where I will get to know the noon dunya, because morning go to office and by the time you get out everything is dark. I don't know how the world works in the noon time. Bro, I need a coconut water, I think so. Coconut water. Hey, coconut water. Shit. Let's find some little bit ahead. Can I go like this? Oh no, I think so not. Why did I come here, bro? Hey, look at this guy. Arre baap re, rockstar. Go, uncle, go. Yeah, thank you. Zoom. First bridge of the day. Hello. And bro, this is so tiny bridge, man. Maybe even two cars can't go side by side. I think so. That's how tiny this is. Crazy. Whoa, the summer it is real, bro. Real. Like it actually reduced a bit. Then again it's rising. But anyways, this road is cool too. Maybe we should take break every hour or so, right? Nah, who needs a break? Let's keep going. sometimes it's good to be silent. Just enjoy. 60 or so kilometers are left, as you can see in the map. Okay, I'm sweating. Bro, need some water break. How to drink this? ಹೊಸಕೋಟೆ ಚಿಂತಾಮಣಿ. ಹೊಸಕೋಟೆ ಚಿಂತಾಮಣಿ. ಹಾಂ, ಚಿಂತಾಮಣಿ ರೋಡು. ಹಾಂ, 7 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸು. 7 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ರೋಡು. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ರೋಡು. ಹಾಂ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ರೋಡು. ಅದೇ ಹೊಸಕೋಟೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಒಂದು 5 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಚಿಂತಾಮಣಿ ರೋಡು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟು ತೊಗೊಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಥಿಯೇಟ್ರ್ ಐತೆ, ಸಾಧನಾ ಥಿಯೇಟ್ರ್ ಐತೆ, ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಬಂಕ್ ಐತೆ. ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಬಂಕು ಹಾಂ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಬೇಕು. ಚಿಂತಾಮಣಿ ರೋಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. या वाटर ब्रेक तो हो गया. वाटर ब्रेक आಯಿತು, ಬಟ್ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೆಟ್ಟಾಯಿತು. ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಸಾರಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಗುರು ನೀನು. ಹುಷಾರು, ಆರಾಮು. ಓಯ್ ರೈಡರ್, I need to take a right. Oh yeah, 200 chopper. Ba. Hey. Oh yeah. Oh, टोला. बाप रे बाप. Free of cost toll. Are you sure? I think so, they are sure. Free for two-wheelers. Yup. We got lucky. Oppa. Go bro, go. Don't waste my time. Omni, go. Don't waste my time. Actually my voice quality gets better when the helmet is shut down. when the helmet is open, no, 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 there will be more wind sound, I think. The crazy part is myself personally, I don't even watch my own videos. I don't even watch my videos even while editing it. I just my videos comes in like number formats, right? 41, 42, 43, 44. Like for every clip there is a number, which automatically the GoPro stores it. So I just take that clip and I just arrange it accordingly to its numerical value, and I just combine everything. Then I export it. Then I upload it, and I don't even watch it. That's the crazy part. Bro, do you think I have time somehow in that even working with a 12 hours job? Somehow I'm doing this. Let's see how it goes. It's not easy, man. Your brain will get fried. You can't think straight sometimes. But you gotta keep going. Hello. Woo! Amazing, amazing. Makes me play that song, you know. Not to do like this, so now I wish I'd get to the time. Maybe it's better to say I hope I never go. You could have been so good together. You could have been so good together. Tonight the music sings so loud. I wish that we could lose it better. Maybe God, bro. Bike. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Damn, I don't know what road that was, but it was really freaking cool, bro. It was freaking cool. बाइक वाला किधर है, बाइक वाला किधर है, बाइक वाला किधर है, बाइक वाला किधर है? नो टोल फॉर बाइक, हाँ. Damn, bro. No toll for bikes. Amazing, 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 amazing. Woo. Hey, plane, hi. Woo. We got around 20% charge on this. Oh damn, look at me, bro. 20% charge, no problem. We reach there. Such a beautiful road, bro. We are finally able to see the mountains. We're almost there, bro. Just 20 kilometers, and damn, those mountains, bro. Na 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 na. Happy birthday to me, 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 na 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 na. Amazing, bro, amazing. Bro, what is this? A cage? Damn, I thought it's some type of a design. Okay, a seat, a balcony seat. Okay. Jugaad, jugaad. Bro is doing jugaad. Bro is literally risking. He's risking it, bro. What if it falls? He's risking the life of the person behind him. Dangerous, dangerous guy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Damn, bro. Isn't this crazy? Yup. Yup. Bro, so crazy. The weather is so perfect. Yeah, bro. I'm just speechless. Worth it, worth it. चपरे नंबर प्लेट किधर है? पुलिस चेकअप, हाँ। चिकबल्लापुरा हैदराबाद बिरयानी ना? Chikballapura 6, Hyderabad 513 kilometers. Damn. Chikballapura left, Hyderabad right. Oh no, I'm going to Hyderabad. Hopefully the map takes us there. क्या कर रहा है मैप ये? Bangalore right. Oi, honor unne. Almost reached, bro. 16 more kilometers to go. Yeah, buddy. Something about this down road, bro. The roads that go down like this and left and right full scenery. Kharab roads. Damn, bro, amazing roads. Honey harvesting, bro, crazy. They were harvesting honey over there. Crazy, bro, crazy. This is like some KGF shit. Can you see? You can't see properly, right? Maybe now. Full KGF scene here. KGF mining. The sceneries are amazing, bro. Really. Wow. Nice. So I'm just having 4%, bro. That's the thing. You need to have at least 3 batteries and the 2 with a charging case in the bag. Then only you will be able to vlog the full travel, and you can cut only the best scene and you can upload it. For me, there is no option. Whenever I click the play, I should speak and make it the best scene. Yeah, it's beautiful. So yeah, it's around, I have around 3%. Let's hope for the best. I'll keep it running because only 10 minutes in. Only 10 minutes in, we will reach the Adiyogi. Oh, we reached, bro. I can see it. I can see the entrance. Nice. बैटरी तो है बस 2% है. Okay, the entrance. Finally, we made it, bro. Crazy. Got it. And the camera. Bro, the weather is really amazing, man. Full speechless. Thank you, God. We finally made it. Now let's enjoy the entrance. Entrance enjoy करेंगे भाई. अभी तो I took all the items, right? हाँ. Wow, amazing, bro. There's an hotel over here, Pure Veg. Parking, okay, nice. Homestay, temple, shop. Wow, so much development. Development है भाई. Max World Cafe, nice. Wow, the road is really crazy, bro. The first time when I came to this place, it was the first opening day. I came to this place on the first opening day, and it was totally opposite. Nothing was ready. Full dusty road. That was real off-road, and that too I came on my Dio. I had a Dio right at the beginning, so I came in my Dio, and it was one of the toughest travel experience. Bro, crazy. Adiyogi. It's time to see Adiyogi statue. It's time to get Darshana. Where is it? It's coming. Wow, bro, really amazing, bro. Look at the timing. Wow. Crazy. Wow. beautiful place, man. Wow. Oh, Shambho. Shambho. I am able to see Adiyogi. Wow. Finally. After 3 hours of long journey. I hope you guys are able to see it. The amazing statue. Amazing, bro. Wow. Literally mind blowing. Let's get closer. Oh, two-wheeler 20 rupees. Let me take my cash. Yes. Let's see.
You have change?
No, only.
Can you scan and...
Yeah, I can do it. I thought only cash is allowed.
No, that's all right.
Mm-hmm. 20 rupees, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's done. It's done.
Thank you so much. Namaskar.
Welcome. Bro, the way they greet you, just amazing. Feels like home. My God. So where should I park, bro? So it's right over here, right? Enna mone, we made it. Shambho. ಹೊರಡೆ ಲಾಕರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಸರ್? ಹೊರಡೆ ಲಾಕರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಸರ್?
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಸರ್, ಇದು ಆರಾಮಿಗೆ
ಹಾಂ,
ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಾ?
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆರಾಮಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಕ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ? ಬ್ಯಾಗು ಎಲ್ಲ
ಇಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ, ಜಾಗ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು.
ಅದೇ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ.
ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರ್ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
Over 15,000 years ago, a being appeared in the upper regions of Himalayas. No one knew who he was, where he came from. The origins of this spectacular being were unknown. When his ecstasy allowed him some movement, he danced wildly. When intensity peaked, he became utterly still. People saw that he was experiencing dimensions that no one had ever known or able to fathom. His ecstasy and intensity allowed him to transcend his physical form. Witnessing an individual human in union with the cosmos, they called him a yogi, as he was the first one, the Adiyogi. When his stillness lasted for years on end, curious onlookers melted away. Only 7 seekers remained, as they could not tear themselves away from him. He transmitted the profound science of yoga in its full depth and dimension. He expounded 112 methods of attainment, offering his disciples access to the deepest innards of creation. magnificent state of yoga, many mysteries of the created and the uncreated cascaded upon his unbridled wild hair. It was a vision of the very core of the cosmos in all its profundity and magnificence, a vision of the unfathomable mysteries of the universe, a most overwhelming vision the sages and Devi Parvati had ever witnessed. Devi Parvati, seeing Adiyogi reveling in ecstatic states, said, "I want to have what you have. Show me the way." Give me the